Hey, what's up? So today is day 16 of the 100 Days of Code video series, and I thought I'd build something that I actually struggled to build a few months back with React. I had a lot of trouble with this because it was kind of hard for me to transfer data from component to component, but now that I understand it, I figured why not make a project. So for today's project, we're going to be building out a pop-up preview. So I'm going to have a few cards on the screen. We're going to click on one, then an overlay is going to come up and more data is going to be on that overlay based on the card that we clicked on. So this should be a fun project. I'm going to speed through it and I'll see you at the end of the video. All right, we are finished. So we have 3 cards. They all have a header, a short description, and a learn more button. And when you click learn more, an overlay pops up with a much longer description based on the card that we clicked. This was a pretty fun project, and I hope to do some more fun ones like this in the future. I'm going to go work on project 17 of the 100 Days of Code series, and I will catch you in that video. Peace.